This tutorial is going to show you the steps to take to book a room at the Coffee Commune. Firstly, ensure that you're logged into your account. Scroll to the left to book and select Book a Room. This will then take you to our bookings page. And here are all the different rooms that are complimentary to book as part of your membership at the Coffee Commune. However, at the time of booking, you are required to pay a $50 refundable deposit, which is refunded 24 hours after use. To book your selected room, select Book This. Select a day in blue that you'd like your meeting, confirm your starting time and your end time, and on the left-hand side, double check that that's your room that you'd like to book for this day at this time. On the right-hand side, it will pre-fill in all your personal details. Ensure that you fill in any missing information and scroll down, choose the purpose of the booking, for example, I'll say event, the number of attendees, and whether or not you require catering. Then open the terms up and conditions up, and once read, select and tick the agree box. To continue, select Pay and Schedule Appointment. This then takes you to our pay screen, and here is where you'll put in your personal card details and billing address. Once complete, select Pay. And this is how you book a room at the Coffee Commune.